Imagine offering top-tier SEO services under your brand without doing any of the heavy lifting. I want you to stick around because at the end of this video, I will reveal how are you going to get the 5 months free SEO services, plus how are you going to earn money by partnering with us. First off, what is white label SEO? If you are an agency owner, a freelancer, or a business owner, white label SEO offer SEO services under your brand while you don't do any work, and we do all the work behind the scene. Your clients will see your logo, your branding, but the results come from our experts. This means you can focus on client getting and also client relationships while we do all the technical stuff for you. The best part, even if you are a one-man team, you can still have a big agency by partnering with us because you don't need to worry about buying any expensive SEO tools, renting an office, or hiring your staff because it's very expensive. By the way guys, my name is Kherk Roldan and I started doing SEO in 2011. I have 100 plus SEO specialists working for me on a daily basis in our office-based SEO agency in the Philippines, and we are serving thousands of clients already since we start the agency. I work with clients on a daily basis, testing multiple strategy and experimenting websites to make sure that our strategy are still working in today's SEO world or any algorithm. I help clients generate 6 figures a month with our white label SEO partnership program. As a seasoned SEO experts, we have helped businesses dominate the ranking organically and in Google Maps, increase their leads, phone calls, and sales by working with competitive niche or industry. The best part while working with us is that we have a refined strategy. We just don't throw SEO strategy on the table or in the wall and expecting as the result will stick. We have years of experience, we have a better process. We also have our own standard operating procedure or SOP that we are using for every step of the way. Like for example, how to do on-page SEO, how to do link building, how to outreach client, how to do guest posting, niche edits. We have that everything in place to make sure that we are only using one SOP inside the department. 100 plus SEO specialist. Yes, you heard that right. We have a lot of people here on every department that can help you scale your business from on-page SEO, technical SEO, link building, outreaching, and a lot more. Depends on your needs, by the way. We can also do technical stuff as well to help you scale your SEO agency. We have a better project management dashboard for your billing, project reporting, client communication, and also the reporting. So everything will be there. You don't need to worry asking us, hey Kherk, where's the deliverables? Because everything will be there. You can check it anytime you want. I will also provide you a dedicated partner manager inside my company. And that dedicated manager, it's like your executive assistant in my company. So that person can communicate with your staff. So we can make sure everything is taken care. We don't have any backlogs. We provide you streamlined reporting and results. We also provide personal SEO campaign because as you know, GMB and e-commerce, they have a different deliverables. They are not the same, okay? So each campaign has a different strategy. So that's also the reason why every project that we are working here, we will check it. There's no need for any contract, okay? You can stop anytime as long as you don't like our work. We also provide transparency and white label reporting, meaning every time we start, we will audit that and we will compare it month after month, okay? So we can see the graph when we start and also after a month. Okay, and we will provide you a branded report with your logo, with your font, everything, so that you can easily send that to your client. The best part of our white label SEO program is that you can also earn by partnering with us. How? For every 2 clients you onboarded to us, you will get 10% off from the total amount. For every 3 SEO client, you will get 20% off. For every 4 SEO client, you will get 30% off. For every 5 SEO client, you will get 40% off. For every 8 clients, you will get 50% off. And for 10 clients, you will get 60% off. We can also create a customized SEO plan and rates specifically for you. But here's the most exciting part, alright? We are also providing or giving away 5 months free SEO services or campaign for you if you are qualified in our program. What's next? I want you guys to schedule a call below using this link so we can discuss about the 5 months free SEO program and how are you going to earn with our white label SEO partnership. Okay? See you there. Bye-bye.